Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 2500 Power Wagon. Under the hood we have a 6.4 liter heavy duty V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the flame red and it looks awesome. You got the accents up on the front here with the black and the Power Wagon. It looks really cool. You got the Ram logo right up front here with some tow hooks as well. It'll help if you need to tow anything or pull anybody out of the ditch. You do got bi-function projector style headlights right there as well. And then coming over to the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with the Goodyear tires, and there's tons of tread left on them. You will be good for a while. It does have your mirrors right there, and they do have the turning signals as well as they are the tow mirrors, so you can see all the way back. You got the 2500 logo right there and the black accenting along the bottom as well. Coming around to the back, you do have a 6-foot box. And you got the big Power Wagon back here. It looks awesome. You have your backup camera right there as well. And yeah, 6-foot box. It does have the bed liner on it, so keep it nice and safe. Won't get all scratched up for you. Okay, we got our keys here, so let's take a look. We got 2 presses to unlock. We got 1 press to lock. You got 2 presses for your remote start here. Awesome. It'll help you get going a little bit quicker in the mornings. You won't have to go outside in your pajamas. Then you also has proximity keyless entry, so if you do have it locked and you have your key on your person, you can just put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. You also got the buttons there if you do want to use those instead. And then on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, and you can also pull your mirrors in with that button right there. Got a bit of that chrome there. You got a handle here, as well as a bit of storage here, and a bit more down here with like a place for like a water bottle or something. Then you also have the controls over your seat, so back and forward, as well as the seat memory, and you also have your lumbar support there. And then over here you do have your controls of your lights, so you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as you can press it in for your fog lights and your in-cabin light control right there. This guy is the control over your windshield wipers, as well as your high beam and your turning signal. And this guy controls how close and how far away your pedals are. Okay, on the inside now, foot on the brake and press the button. The keys are in my pocket. In the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your oil temperature. You also have your oil life and you have your battery. So you can change that guy in the middle. So it is on the speedometer right now, and it does show us what channel we're on and the way we're facing and how many kilometers, which is only 791, which is pretty much nothing. You also have your vehicle info. You got your fuel economy. You have your trip A. You have your trip B. You have your trailer tow options. You have your audio and your stored messages and your screen setup. So you got all those. They're all controlled right from here, right from your steering wheel. You also got your voice recognition and your call out buttons. Then you have your horn in the middle. You also have your cruise control options right there. And this guy is your gear shift, so you just shift it just like that. And then when it is in reverse, you do have your backup camera, which is super nice. Over here, you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you have your AM and your FM as well as your Sirius XM. Then you do have your media tab. You have, with your media, you got your USB, your aux cord, or you also have Bluetooth. Then you also have your controls, so you have your heated seats, vented seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera settings, mirror dimmer, and then your passenger seat ones as well. Then you also have your apps over here. You can access all that. You got your climate controls. You can change all those. It is dual climate, so you and your passenger can have separate climates. You got your navigation, so you can view your map, and of course we are on Rec Place. And then you do have your phone options here if you do have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Down here you do have your volume up and down, as well as your screen off, your hazard lights, and your back button. Then you also have your browser. You have the power up and down, as well as your off and your auto. You got your AC, your circulation, your heat up and down for you and passenger. Your defrost for your front and rear. Then you have your trailer tow options here. You have your downhill assist. Then you also have your traction control, your tow and haul, your front and rear park assist. There we go. Then we also have our heated seat, vented seat, heated steering wheel, vented and heated seats for the passenger as well. And then we do also have some storage down here, as well as some cup holders, lots of cup holders, and our control over our 4-wheel low and our 4-wheel high and all those guys there. In the center here, we do have our armrest. We can open that guy up. We got some coin holders here, as well as we have a USB plug-in, an aux cord, and a 12-volt plug-in. You got your cup holders here, and you can lift this guy up, and you do have another seat underneath. And then over here, you do have your top glove box, as well as your bottom one. And you got lots of room in there. There's a balloon there. And then up top, we do have our controls over our little window in the back, right back there. You can open and close that guy, as well as you have your universal garage door opener here and the controls over your sunroof, which is right there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now you do have control over their own windows, of course. You got that bit of chrome accenting, handle, and some storage, and then you got more down here. And then over here we do have that same leather that's in the front, and it looks awesome. It gives it a very nice feel. Plus you can pull this guy down, And if you don't need the seat in the middle, and you got another 2 cup holders plus an armrest. You got some more right down there. And then you can also lift this up, and you've got some storage under there. There's a subwoofer under the other one, so if you want to blast some music, it'll sound real nice. You can also lay these down flat just like this, and then you can put something on top and have it nice and sturdy. You have an identical one on the other side as well. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2017 Ram 2500 Power Wagon. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.